Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel yet again. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking down my box braids with just a little bit of rice water for, a little added hair growth into the mix of whatever's going on with my hair right now. So I did put these box braids in my hair I put them in yesterday morning. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take these down, and I'm probably just going to, why am I always stumbling over my words? So I'm probably just going to wear these as a braid out for about a day or two, and then I'm kind of debating on doing a protective style or doing something, but as of now, we're just going to be going ahead and applying this rice water onto my scalp, and I'm not going to spray a lot, and this does not stink because it is not. It's not like fermented. It's just like regular rice water with a few fragrances and things like that added. And if you follow my channel, go ahead and look at my rice water recipe video, which is honestly always being modified, always being changed, but that's neither here nor there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and spray this on my scalp just a little bit, just to get my scalp stimulated and just to get it, going and flowing and growing. So what I'm going to do is just spray this on my scalp. And that's literally it. I'm not even about to spray all over the braids, just spraying the scalp. And that's it. It smells really good. A lot of people do complain about the smell of rice water, but the way I make mine is I don't want to be walking around with my hair smelling all funky. So I put a few ingredients in it just to kind of combat that smell. So now that it's all sprayed onto the scalp, we're just gonna go ahead and work it in a little bit. And y'all already know there are like a ton of benefits to using rice water, but I would also recommend not using it too frequently. But if you are going to use it frequently, I would say not to put a whole lot on your hair. Just kind of put a little bit and just work it through, because a little bit does go a long way. Our goal is not to put a ton on our hair, but it's just to put enough to where it's working. And the ingredients that I put in my rice water, I can already feel my scalp tingling, and that's like definitely a plus. That's definitely an added plus, because when your scalp is tingling, that's how you know your hair is growing, okay? But that's just what I go by, at least. I don't know what everybody else goes by, but that's what I go by. There are tons of benefits to using rice water on your hair. So if you don't know what those benefits are, definitely go ahead and check out a few of my previous videos while I kind of go ahead and talk about rice water and the benefits and things like that. So what I'm going to do now is just take these braids out, and I'm debating if I should use a little bit of shea butter. Y'all, side note, my scalp feels so good. Like whenever I apply this rice water onto my scalp, and it just starts to tingle. Oh my gosh, it's like, I don't know, it feels so amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and take these braids out, and I'm not going to take them all out on camera. I'm just probably going to take this one out, and then I'll come back to you guys when I took the rest of them out, just to see what my hair is looking like. I haven't done a braid out in a very, very, very long time, so I'm kind of anxious to see what the outcome is going to look like. Oh y'all, side note, I did go ahead and rinse that aloe vera gel out of my hair, because everybody was just like, ew, your hair smells like peppermint oil, it's too strong, rinse it out, you're finna knock us all out with the smell of your hair. So I had to rinse it out to appease everybody around me, because I guess you can't just be walking around smelling like a big old peppermint oil. Everyone was saying I smelled like a nursing home. So there's that. So be wary of that if you're just going to mix peppermint oil and aloe vera. So yeah, we're going to go back to the drawing boards on that one. But we are going to find the perfect recipe where nobody has anything to say about the smell, okay? Nothing. We're going to find it. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take these box braids out of my hair, and I did already apply the rice water. So what I'll do is probably, you know what, let me just finish taking this one last one out. But if you hadn't, I'm always stumbling. But if you hadn't already heard the benefits of rice water and what rice water is good for, it does help your hair grow at a faster rate. It does add proteins and just kind of fill in the hair shaft wherever there may be, like, you know, like blank spots or breakage, things like that. So it is really good for just adding moisture and things like that to your hair. So that's a plus. And the recipe that I use, I do also think that it also helps stimulate your scalp as well. And if your scalp is stimulated, you're growing your hair. But there are a few other ways to stimulate your scalp by like brushing and combing out your hair, because that's moving around those follicles and just getting them, you know, it's just waking them up like, oh shoot, we're supposed to be growing right now? Okay, cool, let's grow. So that's what rice water does, and that's what brushing your hair and just kind of massaging your scalp, all of those are ways to benefit your hair growth and just kind of speed up that benefit rate, speed up that hair growth rate. Ooh, y'all see that shine? First of all, wait a minute. Now that's some real shine, okay? I know y'all see that, because I see that. Hold on now. Oh yeah, that's some shine right there. We gonna I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna take all these braids out. Then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm finished taking them out. Then we're gonna separate it and see what we got. See what we twerking with. And the ends ain't that frizzy either. Oh yeah, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took out all the braids. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is separate. But before we even separate, can we just talk about how shiny my hair looks right now? I know it's not just me. Or maybe it's because y'all don't really know my hair. But my hair does not be shiny at all. Does not be. My hair is usually not shiny. So, to me, this is a pretty big deal. Let me see if I can get a close up too. Come on here, don't do me an injustice. I don't know, it's looking pretty shiny. All right, so let's go ahead and separate my hair out. And I can't see, and I don't want to separate it too much to where it gets frizzy. So what I'm gonna do is put my glasses on and just separate through. But you can honestly just kind of feel where it naturally wants to separate. So we're going to try to just go with that. Separate through. Okay. Oh, that was not right. Okay, hold on. Separate there. Let me take this one. Separate through. So I'm honestly probably just going to fast forward through this part. And then once I'm done, I'll come back and we'll just see what it looks like. I'm not usually a big fan of day one hair. So we're gonna see what this looks like. I don't know. I don't know. I usually like braid outs more than I like twist outs. So let's see what this looks like once we're done separating everything. Okay, so I am pretty much finished separating my hair, but what was I about to say? But I'm not really a big fan of day one hair. So I'm hoping that tomorrow it looks a little better, looks a little bit more frizzy, a little bit more, I don't know, shapely, I guess. Because the definition is definitely there, and I don't want to kind of over manipulate it to where all the to where all the definition is gone. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this today and just let it do its own thing. It smells amazing. It feels very soft. So that's definitely a plus. But tonight when I go to sleep, I'm probably going to either put it in a pineapple or I'm going to put it in 2 or maybe 3. Because I kind of want the front to be in my face a little bit. And I want it to have more of an afro type of shape. So I'm going to get on Google or get on YouTube and look up just how to make your fro or how to make your hair more of a fro type shape. And I'm probably going to do a day 2 video tomorrow. I don't really know. But yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. I like the definition of it. I'm trying to get more accustomed to wearing my real hair out, because typically I usually wear my hair with weave almost all of the time. So I might have like a ponytail, or I might have my hair in braids and have like a wig over it. So I'm trying to get accustomed to seeing me with my hair, just my natural hair that grows out of my head. Because if I'm not really like accustomed to what my hair looks like, I'm never going to be comfortable wearing my hair out. So that's where we are now. We're just gonna wear this out today. I need to probably mess around with how I do my braid patterns a little bit more, because I do know I like my hair in my face sometimes, but the length, that's the only thing. The length is a little iffy. So I don't know. I gotta figure out how to make it more fro-like or fro-shaped, but even before I texturize my hair would always just, I don't know. So when I do a wash and go, I want my hair to look, sleek, like the wet look. But when I do a braid out, I want it to be like just a round afro. So that's where we are. I'm gonna go ahead and look into some videos about that, just to see what I can do about that. But I'm gonna wear my hair out like this for today, and then I'm going to probably do another video tomorrow, or maybe, I don't know, maybe day 2 or day 3, just to see what my hair looks like. And I'm going to look up how I'm supposed to maintain this, because I don't wear my hair out often. I usually wear weave all the time, so that's where we are. But anyway, I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for watching me take out those braids. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks you want to share with me. Definitely share those with me so I can know what to do with my hair as well. And as y'all saw, I did put the rice water on my scalp. I'm probably going to continue to do that. And I can already notice my hair isn't shedding. It's not shedding like it used to at all. So I'm feeling very, 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 very comfortable and confident with the fact that my hair finally stopped shedding. But I think it had to do with the aloe vera and the leave-in conditioner that I used recently. So I'm just going to load my hair up with moisture. Maybe that's what it was, because I wasn't moisturizing enough. I was adding some moisture, but I don't think it was enough, or nearly close to what my hair needed, since I did texturize it and it was going through, the process of being texturized and dried out, and I wasn't doing the best job of taking care of it. But I'm gonna keep it way more moisturized now. So if you guys have any recommendations as far as hair moisturizer or daily moisturizer that you guys use, definitely help me out and leave those down below. And I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already, so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Seems like breathing ain't enough to keep me floating. When I dive deep, I feel the pressure.
washes of the ocean.